collectively, we need to work together to generate more truly novel medicines, more effective medicines, and they need to be affordable. And each of these words are very simple words, but they're actually massive challenges underneath it. I mean, generating a truly novel medicine is incredibly difficult, and it's incredibly expensive, and there's lots of data to back that up. But to generate something that's significantly more effective than what we've already got is also immensely challenging. And in fact, in the future, now, we don't just need drugs that just treat the symptoms. We actually need drugs that are going to slow down the progression of a disease. They're going to slow down the progression of Alzheimer's. Or we need drugs that are going to cure people of these diseases. Or we need drugs that are going to be preventative and prevent those diseases happening in the first place. Scientifically, technically, economically, those are massive challenges. Then to generate these therapies in a more affordable manner so that more people can access them, that's also a massive problem. I mean, recently a therapy for a rare form of vision loss was approved by the FDA. Now, there's probably between 1,000 and 2,000 such patients in the US. The cost of that therapy, it's a gene therapy, the cost of that therapy for each patient is $1 million. I mean, who can afford that? How many people in the US can afford it? There's a lot less people in Europe or India or China who will be able to afford it, etc. So affordability is a massive issue. And as you say, speed is a massive issue. I mean, sort of patients, you know, a new drug tomorrow is too late. They want it today. So these are massive challenges. And so what we've tried to do, and I think this is what the Oxford Martin School wants us to do, they want us to focus on these big global challenges and then to come up with global solutions. And I think the solution, intuitively, when something is difficult, it's risky, it's slow, it's expensive, it just makes sense that we come together to try and tackle it together. And so what we've been trying to do in Oxford is we've been bringing together lots of academics, lots of clinicians, lots of pharma companies, lots of biotechs and CROs, lots of patient groups. And now with the help of the Oxford Martin School, we're bringing together social scientists, economists, ethicists, IP lawyers, etc., to think about new ways of doing drug discovery and generating the data to demonstrate to the world that this is a more effective way of doing drug discovery. We're trying to create a new ecosystem which hopefully will generate more novel drugs, more effective drugs, more quickly. And as I said in the lecture, I hope they will also be more affordable.